Tesla Cybertruck dual-motor close-up. A recent set of images featuring the Tesla Cybertruck has provided a number of key details about the upcoming all-electric pickup truck's frunk and interior. The photos also hinted at the Cybertruck variant that may be released by the electric vehicle maker first. Members of the Cybertruck Owners Club recently shared several images featuring a Cybertruck that looked a bit worse for wear. There were no dents in the vehicle, but its doors looked pretty scuffed. The vehicle's windshield was also cracked, and a portable battery pack could be seen seemingly connected to the Cybertruck's low-voltage battery. Cybertruck Owners Club. A number of key details in the exposed Cybertruck frunk are immediately noticeable. For one, a component listed as Super Manifold V2 is clearly visible, which suggests that the Cybertruck would have a pretty impressive heat pump system. It also suggests that the Cybertruck's heat pump would be an improvement over the Model Ys. Actuators on the right and left side suggest that the Cybertruck may feature a powered frunk. Amusingly enough, the Cybertruck's gigawiper system is so beefy that it's attached to the frame itself. The component bodes well for the Cybertruck's single wiper, as it looks quite durable and heavy-duty. Cybertruck Owners Club. Interestingly enough, a sticker with a VIN could be seen in the recently shared photos. And as per the sticker, the Cybertruck unit in question seems to be a dual-motor variant, similar to the original prototype that was unveiled in late 2019. This may suggest that the Cybertruck would be releasing with its dual-motor variant first. Cybertruck Owners Club. A number of images shared of the Cybertruck's interior also stood out, particularly the perforated seats in front. This suggests that the all-electric pickup truck could keep its passengers warmed or cooled as needed. Components that seem designed for the vehicle's removable mirror could also be seen. Finally, portions of the dash appear to be made of a material similar to Alcantara. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at Teslarati.